You clicked on this video, which means that you are either not in your glow up era or you have just lost consistency. I am sure that many people think that to glow up, we should have the exact same routine that girls show in their vlogs. Let me tell you something, glowing up is not copy and paste. Thinking that if you wake up early, drink water, and do sports, you will glow up? Completely wrong. You will just be a clown, and we don't want that. What we want is Thebe authentic. Okay, so let me tell you in this video what a real glow up should actually look like. Hello everyone, it's good to see you on my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's dive in because this is an emergency. Okay, the first and most important step is to describe who you are right now. Write down the personality traits you want to change. After that, describe your best self. What does she look like? What is her routine, her hobbies, and her personality? If you struggle to describe your best self, here's what to do. Pick a celebrity, a movie character, or even a cartoon character that you admire. There is a reason why you love them, whether it's their look or their behavior. Write down their personality traits and appearance. For example, I love Wonyoung because she is cute, beautiful, and confident. I love Rory because she loves studying, always gets straight A's, and enjoys reading books. Now align your habits and your morning and night routines with the personality and look you want to have. When it comes to style, focus on these points. First, find the colors that suit you by identifying your skin tone and searching on Pinterest for matching colors. Second, find your body shape. Look for clothes that fit it best. Third, wear accessories because they complete every outfit. Find your face shape. So your makeup and hairstyle complement it. And style your hair to match your outfit. Finally, choose your color combinations wisely and use Pinterest for inspiration. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you watched until the end, I have a special PDF guide linked down below. Grab it. And I'll see you in the next video.